So let's have a look how to disassemble the factory stereo and the screen. First things first, we take off these two trims on the other side. Two Phillips head screws on the other side. Alrighty, after taking these two Phillips head screws out, you need to have one of this clip removal. So these are the pins, and there are two clips at the other side of the unit. So I'll show you the exact location of the holes that we have to put this in. So I'm going to use this to unlock the clips. So to put it in like that, it goes all the way in, and there you go, as you see here, and it unclips the unit. And you have to do it on the other side. So you see these two holes here. These are the ones we're talking about. Alright. So now you can unplug the plugs to the back. There you go, that's the CD player. And now it's time to take the screen out. Right, so next thing is to take this screen out, and in order to do that, we have to take the top hat off. So that trim comes off first. The two Phillips head screws here. Then you can take the top hat off. And next, the screen has two screws here at the top. And next you can just pull the screen up, and a few cables at the back.